Simpson's one-third rule. Simpson's one-third rule is the second Newton-Cotes closed formula. It is applied when the integral is approximated by using a polynomial of order k is equal to 2, which is a parabolic function. This method allows the approximation of the area under a parabola connecting three points. Simpson's one-third rule results when a second-order interpolating polynomial is substituted into the equation if a and b are designated as x sub 0 and x sub 2, and f of x is represented by a second-order Lagrange polynomial, the integral becomes. After the integration and algebraic manipulation, the following formula results. This equation is known as Simpson's one-third rule. The label one-third stems from the fact that h is divided by 3. The truncation error is computed by. Simpson's one-third rule can be improved by dividing the integration interval into a number of segments of equal width. The total integral can be represented as. Substituting Simpson's one-third rule for individual integral yields. The truncation error can be computed by. Identify the number of segments from the problem. Evaluate the function at the limits of each segment. Substitute the values from the previous step to the Simpson's rule equation. Calculate the truncation error.